Why realtors can't stay consistent on social media. Let me guess. You signed up for Instagram with every intention of posting consistently. But now your last post was, what, 3 weeks ago? You're not alone. This is one of the biggest silent struggles in real estate today. I work with realtors every day, and they all say the same thing. I want to stay active on social, but between showings, inspections, closings, and clients, it just doesn't happen. You get to the end of the day, and the last thing you want to do is open Canva or edit a reel on your phone. And when you do try to post, it feels overwhelming. And you don't know what to say. You post one reel, but then nothing for weeks. You're never sure what content is working. And when you finally get a good idea, you're already late for a walkthrough. Look, you don't need to become a social media expert. You're already an expert in real estate, but you do need a system, something that helps you show up consistently, even when your schedule is chaos. That's why I created a service specifically for agents like you. We take your raw video clips, stories, or even just your ideas, and turn them into 30 days of fully edited, branded, and scheduled content. You keep showing homes. We make sure people see them online, professionally. So if you're tired of starting and stopping with your content, maybe it's time to stop doing it alone. Comment "content ready" or tap the link below. I'll walk you through exactly how we can build your content system without you ever having to open an editing app again. You're great at what you do. Let's help the world see it consistently. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.